Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends. Welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair a 32-inch Mi Smart Android LED TV. The complaint with this unit is sound okay, no display. Notice that when I tap on the display, you can see the white light flashing. This indicates that the backlight is working fine, and the issue lies within the LCD panel itself. We have already removed the back cover. This TV uses a Samsung panel with the SM4186 Dc IC. As we have discussed in previous videos, these issues are usually caused by an internal short circuit in the gate signals inside the glass panel. When this short occurs, the DC IC enters protection mode and stops generating essential panel voltages. If the short is only on one side of the glass, we can apply a temporary fix. These are the gate signal tracks for the right and left sides. First, we will cut the right side gate signals. If the picture returns, the repair is successful. If not, we must rejoin those tracks and repeat the process on the opposite side. In this case, cutting the right side did not work, so we rejoined the tracks and cut the left side signals instead. Now, let's turn on the TV to check the result. As you can see, the picture is back and the TV is working normally again. Please remember, this is a temporary solution. The only permanent fix is a full panel replacement. We cannot predict how long the display will last. It often depends on the user's luck. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.